I have all of your attention, please? My name is Uncle Rusty. I'm officially reporting for video duty. Fairy Dust is by my side. This is the Backyard Hooligans. We got another request video for you guys today. I hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you for tuning in, spending a little time of your day with us. And I don't know where that little burst of energy came from, but it is what it is.
Neither do I, actually.
At the end of this video, we'll be calling in a music expert, and he's going to tell us if this is a dope track, a fire track or not.
He always has an opinion.
He does. He's very opinionated, and you know, he knows his music. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. Go to the merch shop, check us out. The link will be in the description below. So Fairy Dust channel. Let's strap up, guys. Strap up with us. Let's check it out. And this is another request by FajKid66, and this is entitled Righteous and Ratchet by Scru John and Easy Mill.
Alright. I don't know the other artists, but we've been really getting into Easy Mill lately.
We're gonna learn today. Now listen, if he goes into a different language, like, I am not bilingual, so y'all let me know what's going on, alright? But we're gonna check it out. Scru John and Easy Mill. Let's get it.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the... Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time. It's about that time.
Oh, boy.
You already know, man. Let's go.
Alrighty.
I came from the sand of the holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand.
Whoa!
I did not expect him to sound like that.
The way his voice was on the phone is completely different from his rap voice.
I did not expect that.
I came from the sand of the holy land. Overstand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam, like OnlyFans. You fucked off in the shore, came in righteous in the broken land.
Ooh.
Hey, this guy is talented too, man.
Yeah.
Whoa. That I should have suspected that if Easy Mill's collaborating with him.
Yeah, there haven't been any that I haven't liked yet.
Fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fucking can't take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from home. Until I'm fucking, I'm winning. I'm in full of sticks. I got a truck full of venom. There's an army in the village, but I run around with it. Place the general. He's a fucking lieutenant. Let's get it. Similar situation.
Okay, Easy Mill coming in hot. Alright. I tried to catch all those lyrics. Some of them went over my head.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie.
He's a fucking lieutenant. Similar situation. I'm killing your bitch 'cause I'm lyrically everything. I'm killing your bitches. Some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from at, homie.
Okay.
Ooh.
Some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from at, homie. Send me an addy, we put it on now. Send me an addy, we put it on now. Fuck up the block, we wanna get down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking $10 on the rigger? We gon' run the X and drive it in the sprinter. We the SMS assigning with the living.
I love the way he's got his voice like going up and down like that.
Yeah.
Like he's, you know, he's doing it on purpose because he's like, he knows how to do those
It's
notes.
in a rhythm, yeah. It's in a rhythm. That's really cool.
Who fucking $10 on the rigger? We gon' run the X and drive it in the sprinter. We the SMS assigning with the living like your homies rest in peace. Shit, I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. Quit shit.
They got moves.
Okay, yeah. That's a different language, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. I have no idea. We don't have the captions. So,
Yeah.
fill us in, guys. Fill us in.
No, he's still English. It's still English.
So ready and good, I said it before. This takes a Medusa is set in stone. I've done some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if you get out, go kick in my house, and I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team. Gotta stick them with a semi, they pros. Like a mafia, lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner. It's going to smoke on our heads like a soccer. Deflating those pretty shells that they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up the Hasa. So get to home and they set up your stutter. Quit all that.
Ooh, I like the harmony.
I don't know. These guys got me wanting to get Righteous and Ratchet.
They've got really clean harmony. It's very, very different voices, and I love it.
They mesh well together.
Yeah. Ooh.
Y'all check them out. It says it's streaming on all platforms. That was okay. You know what? I can't make a decision just yet because like we do have our music expert,
Gotta get
and he is sitting. He looks ready. He looks so ready. All right,
There he is.
was that fire? Was it fire? It was fire. All right.
Oh.
Yeah, he thinks it's fire.
Do you want to give a shout out to your fans, Kobe? Say, we love you!
Let me give a shout out.
Shout out, Kobe!
All right.
Good boy, Kobe!
All right. Kobe shouted out to all you guys. He says it's a fire track. I believe him because he knows his music.
Gotta chime in there.
That is today's video. Go check us out in the merch shop, guys. What else we got? What else we got? We got anything new on the way?
Yeah, I mean, we're looking at maybe going live soon, right?
Yes.
We
Let
needed
us
to know if you're interested.
Let us know if you guys want to hang out with us live and like we could just kick it. You know, y'all kick it with us every day. Like I would like to.
Yeah, I kind of want to check that out.
Get to know all you crazies.
Get to know the Hooligan.
Get to know all the Hooligan. But yeah, that's today's video, guys. Until next time, we are so out.